middle, merong owl. Akala ko nung una parang display lang. Buhay pala siya. So yo, what's up guys? It's our third day here in Bangkok. And puno na naman ang aming itinerary. Pero actually, yung activity namin today ay sa isang lugar lang. We are heading to Safari World. Ito ano talaga, pinili namin para kay Kanlaon. Kasi gusto niya makakita ng giraffes, ng mga elephant, lion, and so on. So, itong Safari World, isa ito sa mga malalaking zoo. Not sure in buong Asia, pero here in Thailand, I think, siya yung pinakamalaki. Although, di ako sure. Fact check nyo na lang. Binook namin itong tour namin with Klook. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa meet-up place, which is sa Central World. So, from here sa hotel, we will just commute. We will ride the train. BTS na lang kami papunta sa Central World. So yeah, pero anong oras na ba ngayon? It's already 6:30 in the morning. And hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. So maybe we'll just have some snacks sa 7-Eleven na lang. And then, kainin na lang namin along the way. Siguro kainin namin sa loob ng bus. Kasi nga, join kami dun sa Klook Tour. So, doon na lang kami sa bus kakain ng breakfast. Tara. We arrived na dito sa Siam area and ngayon naglalakad na kami sa Skywalk papunta sa Central World. I think ang meet-up place ay dun sa Hog Sai. So I think nasa likod yun na side ng Central World. So lakad lang tayo dito sa Skywalk. So guys, we made it here sa meet-up ng Klook and we are just waiting. So maya-maya lang pasasakayin na tayo sa bus. By the way, nilagyan kami ng sticker pananda na kami ay guests nitong tour papunta sa Safari World. So we'll just wait here. Maybe kain na muna kami ng breakfast while waiting.
I'm from Thailand. Yeah, me and the driver from Thailand. My name is Mas. Christmas. Yeah, Christmas in December.
So guys, we are now on our way to Safari World. Kanina nag-introduction na yung aming tour guide dito sa Klook bus. And yun, in-explain lang niya yung mga schedules, yung mga do's and don'ts, tsaka kung ano yung mga dapat namin i-expect sa Safari World. Nasa highway kami ngayon. I think in about 30 minutes, nandun na rin kami sa Safari World. So if ever guys na in-avail nyo itong Klook na tour papunta sa Safari World, may bibigay na sa inyo kagad dito na mga information sheets. Merong map, tsaka program guide para nasusundan niya yung mga schedules ng show. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Safari World. Pero we arrived about 15 minutes earlier kasi nagbubukas pa itong Safari World at 9 o'clock and it's only 8:45. Before we start pala, explain ko na sa inyo yung itong binook namin na tour sa Klook. Kasi pag pumunta kayo sa Klook, nandun yung ticket, meron dun option whether you go the 7:45 schedule o yung mas later na 9:45 yata yun. So, ang pinili namin ay yung 7:45 para ma-maximize namin yung oras. So, itong Safari World, medyo may kalayuan siya sa city center ng Bangkok. Actually, sabi ng aming tour guide kanina, itong Safari World ay medyo nasa outskirt na siya, malapit sa province. In fairness guys, if you want a convenient way of touring this Safari World, try nyo mag-book sa Klook kasi it is really convenient. Especially kung may kasama kayong batang maliit. So guys, i-check nyo na lang yung Klook app for the ticket options. Meron yung entrance lang sa Safari World. Pwede rin yung entrance and shared bus papunta dito para mas convenient. Kasi pwede ka rin bumili ng ticket, tapos mag-commute or mag-grab ka na lang papunta dito. Guys, open na yung Safari Park, kaya maandar na ulit yung bus.
No, the bird. Onion.
Storks, and look at that. What's that? Wow. Those are not ghosts, those are camel.
What are those? Ostrich?
No, those are storks.
Storks? Storks like water?
Yes, because they're hunting for food.
They're hunting for fish. I thought they like worms. There's a lot of storks in that tree. Zebra.
Do you see the zebra? Do you see the zebra?
In giraffe and in zebra. Ayun, yung giraffe and yung zebra. Ayun. Sila yung hiding inside the water. Right. Right. Come out. Right. Ayun, yung deer.
Do you see the deer?
Mm-mm.
There's plenty of them over there.
There's deer there.
Very eating.
They're having breakfast.
They're having breakfast. No fish.
The entering look like Jurassic Park.
Those are the lion, huh?
We'll try the new.
Ayun yung tiger and that's the lion. And tiger says roar. Lion says roar. Ayun yung lion, oh. Is there a lot of lions?
They're waiting for food. It's growing near. There's 2 of them. 3 of them. There.
Look at that, I love the tiger. Look, I love the tiger.
Do you see them?
And tigers, I love them.
So many emus. Ayun.
Yeah.
There's the bear.
Sleeping, yeah, Sleeping Beauty. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look at the bears.
Yeah, more animals. More tiger and teddy bear.
So guys, we just finished going around the safari park and ngayon, papunta na kami sa safari adventure. So ito yung talagang interaction with the animals. Kasi yung kanina sa safari park, nandun lang sa loob ng sasakyan tapos, ayun, just viewing lang. This time, we will interact. We will get close encounters talaga with the animals. This is exciting. So ano na, free time na para umikot-ikot kami sa buong paligid. And then, pwede rin namin puntahan yung mga animal shows. Basta ang meet up daw ulit before we go back to the Bangkok Center ay 4:30 p.m. So, ang kagandahan dito guys sa Safari World, maraming puno kaya hindi rin pala talaga sobrang init. So guys, for the first show na pupuntahan namin, it is the Orangutan Show. So, boxing daw to ng mga unggoy. So, ito guys, mga animal show, ano na siya, it goes with the ticket. You just go there, dun sa mga schedules, para mapanood nyo. Ang dami na kagad tao.
Welcome to Bangkok Safari World and to our Orangutan Thai boxing show. Okay, before we go on with the boxing, we have to do the opening ceremony, and right now, he's your the VIP, Mr. Bola and his bodyguard.
So ayun guys, we just finished the Orangutan Show. Nakakatuwa. Ang next na show na aming papanoorin ay itong Elephant Show. This is 11 a.m. Going from show 1 to show 2, konting minuto lang yung allotted. Tapos kanina guys, nung bumibili ako ng snacks, nabasa ako dun sa baba. Yung rows mula una hanggang dun sa 5th row, may chance daw na mabasa kasi yung mga elephant nag-spray ng tubig, di ba, mula dun sa trunk nila. So, okay lang pala na nandito kami sa taas. So yun guys, we have just finished the elephant show. Grabe, daming tao. Daming Indian. Anyway, ayun. Papunta naman kami ngayon sa giraffe feeding. Hindi na kami manonood ng isang show, yung tinatawag na Spy War. Kasi wala namang animals doon. Puro ano lang daw yun. Parang James Bond na action. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Giraffe Terrace. Ang goal dito is magpakain ng mga giraffe. Ang daming ulo ng mga giraffe dito. Grabe, ang cute. Don't go near. So guys, time is past 12 o'clock na, kaya magla-lunch na muna kami. Dito kami ngayon sa Riverside Food Court. So dito na kami bibili ng food. Ang step pala dito ay kukuha ka muna ng coupons bago ka makabili ng mga food dito sa food court. Ayan. Refundable naman daw pag hindi naubos.
Everybody standing by your mobile phone. We have the water ski show. Wow! This is rocket show. 1, 2, 3. Let me jump out of the water.
We're now also finished with the dolphin show. Ang galing, nakakaaliw. So ngayon, siguro mag-chill na lang kami. I-skip na namin yung lion, yung sea lion show. Tsaka yung cowboy show. We are inside Animal Cafe and we will just have some snack. Kasi sobrang init sa labas, buti dito sa loob ng Animal Cafe, air condition. In the middle, merong owl. Akala ko nung una parang display lang. Buhay pala siya. guys, there's an area here where you can have photos with the animals. Ang tawag ay open air studio. Kaya medyo mahal yung pagpapa-photo sa kanila. For example, yung photo with the baby tiger costs 500 baht. Same with photos with the orangutan, 500 baht. Time check, it's now 4:06 p.m. We're actually done na dun sa in most parts of the Safari World. Yeah, it was so much fun dito sa Safari World. And if you want to go here, you really have to allot a full day para ma-explore mo lahat. So guys, there's a lactating statue here. Look. This is the lactating statue.